Bitcoin is getting quiet again, and that's usually when the biggest moves are born. Right now, volatility is unusually low. And in Bitcoin, low volatility is rarely a sign of weakness. More often, it's a coiled spring. The market compresses, traders get comfortable, leverage builds, and then one catalyst hits, and price can move fast in either direction. Here's the simple version. Bitcoin has been trading in a calmer, tighter range than many traders expected. That means the daily swings are shrinking, and realized volatility is dropping. For casual investors, that might sound boring. But for market structure, it's a big deal. Why? Because markets do not stay quiet forever. When volatility gets crushed, it often means participants are waiting for something. A macro data release, a Federal Reserve comment, a sharp shift in ETF inflows, or a sudden risk-off move in traditional markets. From a Bitcoin perspective, this setup matters because the asset tends to react aggressively when conditions change. If buyers are positioned for upside and the market breaks higher, you can get a powerful squeeze. If sentiment flips, the same compressed setup can unwind just as fast. That's why this matters over the next 90 days. It's not just about whether Bitcoin is bullish or bearish today. It's about how much energy is stored in the system. Low volatility can create a dangerous illusion of stability. Under the surface, options positioning, leverage, and liquidity conditions may be tightening. That makes the next major move more explosive than usual. From an economic standpoint, Bitcoin is also sitting in the crosscurrents of interest rate expectations, inflation data, and broader liquidity conditions. If markets start pricing in easier policy, that can support risk assets. But if macro data comes in hot and the Fed stays restrictive, Bitcoin could face pressure even if the long-term trend remains intact. Bottom line, quiet Bitcoin is not necessarily safe Bitcoin. It's often the setup before a breakout, a breakdown, or both. If you want to stay ahead of the next big move in Bitcoin, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because when volatility returns, you do not want to be late.